Just download this little app, ChatGPT, and improve your English speaking skills alone at home right from today. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to my channel Speak with Zafarzai. I tell you, I totally improved my English fluency and I became fluent in English just by using ChatGPT alone at home. That's why I recommend you to use this app right from today and become fluent in English as soon as you could. So this is the most common questions from many of you: how we can use ChatGPT to improve our English speaking skills. You don't worry, keep watching this video up to the very end and you will discover some very helpful use of using the chat GPT for improving your English speaking skills. So get ready and let's dive in. Okay guys, I have my mobile with me and the first thing you gotta do is to download the chat GPT app on your device, whether you're using the iPhone, you're using the Android device, no matter, you can download it from the Play Store, or if you're using the iOS device, you can download it from the App Store. So the first thing you got to do is to download it into your mobile computer or laptop, whatever you're using, then open it. I'm already signed in. Okay, you gotta sign up with a Google account first. Then we're having an option. You can do many things in the chat GPT. You can actually type something. Okay, whatever. You can ask chat GPT. For example, if I ask chat GPT to help me with my writing skills. For example, I may write, how can I improve my English writing skills? Okay, type it down, send it there. Okay, here is a detailed answer from the chat GPT. Okay, uh, it's continuing. Okay, you can ask any type of questions from chat GPT uh, in written forms. Okay, it will also provide you answers in written form, so give it a try right from today. Okay guys, I showed you how you can text with chat GPT. There's also another cool option whereby you can talk directly with chat GPT. You can ask questions, you can reply to the chat GPT's questions. So again, you gotta enter into the main board of the chat GPT. You can see in here black colored icon at the right corner bottom. Click on it. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Hello chat GPT, how are you?
Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? How's your day going?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, thank you very much. Can I talk to you in English because I have no partner to speak in English with?
Of course, we can talk in English. I'm here to help you practice. What would you like to talk about today?
Actually, maybe some casual topics just to improve my English speaking skills.
Sounds good. Let's start with something simple. Do you have any favorite movies or TV shows that you like to watch?
Okay, guys, this is how you can actually give a try to speak in with Chat GPT. You can ask any question. Chat GPT is there to reply. Also will ask you some questions and you will be there to reply and practice your English speaking skills with ChatGPT. So a cool opportunity for all the people around the world to improve their English speaking skills alone at home with the help of the ChatGPT. You should and have to be one of them who would ever be speaking, given practice to English speaking alone at home with ChatGPT. Okay guys, this was a simple short video but very helpful for those of you who cannot afford classes to learn English. They can actually improve their English speaking skills alone at home with the help of the ChatGPT. I myself give a try every single day to the ChatGPT. I hold conversations with the ChatGPT to improve my English speaking skills. You shouldn't have to do it right from today, and you can actually get significant improvement in your English speaking skills with the passage of time. Okay, dear friends, that's it for this video. If the video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, click on this notification bell to receive more content as I would be uploading to this channel to improve your English speaking skills drastically and faster than ever before. So right from today, follow my this guideline to use ChatGPT alone at home to improve faster than ever before your English speaking skills. So give it a try, download it right from today into your mobile and give it a try, and let me know in the comment section below whether your English speaking skills are improving with the help of the chat GPT or not. I hope it helps you a lot, and enjoy holding conversations, different conversations with the chat GPT. You can do it alone at home, as I also do it every single day. So hopefully this is a nice video for you, a helpful video for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.